HVAC people! Alright, HVAC people, today we are going to do a tool review / reaction. Kai Sweets sent us this digital smart meter. I am excited about reviewing this smart meter just because, first off, let's cut to the chase. We're going to talk about price. Now, me personally, I have spent at least $1,000 on a meter before. I still had a meter. It's one of my favorite meters. I think it's well worth every penny of it. I have made way more money than what I paid for, so it paid for itself. However, this meter right here comes in at under $100. If I'm not mistaken, at this time, this meter comes in at under $50. So this typically something that I may not just walk up in the store and purchase unless I would just needed something real quick. This may be like a glove box meter, but I am excited about doing a review on this meter, even though it costs under $50, because it is a digital smart meter. And with technology, some people may just be left behind. This may just be the new thing. I started out with analog gauges. It took me years to switch over to digital gauges. And now that I switched over to digital gauges, I never go back. It's almost like, okay, if I'm gonna use a calculator or if I'm gonna actually solve the problems and do the arithmetics myself. No, first I'm gonna go up to the table and do the unboxing and reaction, and then we'll go outside to my condenser unit, check the incoming voltage and capacitor. Let's do the unboxing. This is the Kai Sweets Smart Digital Meter, model KM601, made from China. Resistance, voltage, capacitance, current. Comes in a nice shipping box. Oh wow, wasn't expecting that. Also come in a nice carrying case. User manual, who needs that? Smart digital multimeter. Warning symbols, product familiarization. Also comes with a 3-year warranty. Comes in a nice carrying case. Electric sign. Also see a hammer. So let's take a look. Looks like we have some leads. And batteries also come with the batteries. 6 AAA batteries. This look like it's for the temperature probe. I don't know what's my opinion on those yet. Feel kind of flimsy there. Of course, it's going to be an honest review. Is it going to be my glove box or everyday carry? Check out these leads. You know, these leads very important for us. So all HVAC technicians out there, even my new techs, I'll let you know if this is a go or not. It's very important to have a reliable meter. Wow, look at this. This is pretty cool. See, I'm excited about this. Wow, look. Almost like a calculator or a cell phone or something. Kind of light. If this gives good accurate reading, this will be a little fun carry, a little tool to use. I like this already. I really do. Like a little cell phone. You can slide it in your cargo pocket. So, as far as design, I'm loving the design, to be honest with you. Okay. Let's see how we can put the batteries in here. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna pause the video. We need a little small screwdriver to get the batteries in here. Make sure you have a real small screwdriver. Okay.
Okay. Well, I heard a beep. Tighten it back up. Feel almost like an out-of-box case for a cell phone. That's what this reminds me of. So I guess it's dual and rugged. I wonder, is it water resistance? Hey, it's pretty cool. I like nice display. I'm gonna step away real quick and just see how to use the main functions that we are going to use. My initial reaction so far before we go out to the condenser unit, I am impressed. It's easy to see. It has bright colors. It seems like it's light, but it seems durable, like an auto box body. We're gonna check the capacitor on this one first, because we can check multiple microfarads, 5, 2, 2.55, 20 microfarads, 10 microfarads. So they come with these safety caps. So as you can see on the meter, you see common. So we're gonna stick our black terminal on common. We'll stick our red leads where you see the voltage, the temperature, and the ohms. Cause down here look like it checked milliamps also. So we'll take this cap off. Okay. So we're gonna take our function button. And let's check this capacitor right here. I don't know if the camera picking up well, but that is my capacitance symbol. I got 4.6. Take a little second for it to pick up, but 4.6 on this one right here. This is rated for a 5. Hey, so that's pretty good. It's rated for a 5. I'm sorry. This is rated for a 5, and it's reading 4.6. So it passed that initial test, because I know this capacitor is good. Let's check the 25, because sometimes we like to move fast, so speed counts also. From common to the 25. Let's see what we get. We get 25.4. That's pretty accurate. 25.4. Now real quick, I'm gonna get another meter. I'm gonna compare it with this field piece. A lot of y'all like the field piece. Y'all say it's reliable. So we're gonna go to microfarads. We're gonna go to that same 25 right here on this one. And it takes about the same amount of time, look like it. I got 25.6 on the field piece, 25.6. Should have probably bought some alligator clamps. Wish it came with alligator clamps. Get a second or two. It's pretty accurate. Pretty much reading the same thing. 25.6, 25.4. Hey, so it passed the. I am impressed, because I check capacitor a lot, so I definitely can use this in the field so far. I'm not gonna say professionally yet, but I don't see why not so far, because it is durable and it's a good pocket go-getter, and it looks kind of impressive to me. That's just my first opinion on it. But let's go outside to the condenser unit, and we're gonna wrap this video up and check some voltage. We are in the field. Well, actually, we're at my unit, but I got a confession to make. So when Kai Sweets reached out to me and said that they was gonna send me this meter, and I seen that it was like $40, $50, I was like, I almost told them no. But I ain't gonna turn down nothing but my collar when it comes to free tools. But I am impressed so far, I can't lie. But any of you been watching my channel for a certain amount of time now, y'all know I am hard on my tools. So I need something durable that's gonna last. I drop my tools, I throw my meter around in my bag. So with this right here, I'm hoping that this screen is durable, because you know I may drop it a few times, throw it in my tool bag. Another thing, I wish it came with a magnet. That's the only thing. I wish it came with a magnet. If it came with a magnet, but it's so light though. Makeshift magnet in here. Since it comes with this carrying case, they got probably a small magnet that I can probably put it on the inside and maybe just stick it to the unit. Man, it looks good. I'm trying to see if I can see it in the daytime. I have no problem with seeing this meter in the daylight. That was my other concern with like digital style meters. Sometimes the glare would be hard to see when there's a lot of sunlight, but right in the glare, hey, I can see it with no problem. So without further ado, I'm gonna go to the function. We're gonna check voltage on this unit right here. This unit right here is rated for 208, 230 volts. Take this function and I'm gonna go to the voltage. And right now it's on auto. I like that. So I wanna know, so I should be able to put this, if it's auto, it should be DC or AC. So I'm gonna check my incoming power. See what we get. 243. 243. I don't know how well you can see that. 243. I like it, y'all. I like it. Let's go leg to leg. We'll put our black lead on the ground. I got 121. Pretty accurate, folks. And just because they sent me this, I'm gonna give you my honest review. I am impressed with this meter. I'm not saying it just because they gave it to me, but I'm liking it so far. I can pull this out. It's light. It's not as long as this field piece. Now keep in mind, this new technology with these digital gauges, this might be $40 now, but this could be $400. And somebody, sure enough, it's made from China. That don't mean nothing to me, because China makes some good stuff. But there's people in America probably gonna duplicate this same thing and say they made it over here, and y'all fall for it every time. That's like America make cheap products, China make cheap products. America make great products, China make great products. If you pay for it, but the good thing about China, they do make cheap stuff, and that you can get pennies on the dollar, but you get what you pay for. But they got expensive stuff too. They cost thousands of dollars, you just got to pay for it, and it's high quality. And it was nice enough to give us this free. But this, I'm liking this, y'all. I'm liking it. I don't want to get too much into the politics, but I like this meter. And I'm not gonna say recommend yet, just on my initial review. You know, we gotta look at longevity also. I'm gonna key the power to my unit, just like we're doing an inspection. I'm just gonna check the capacitor. I'm gonna check the capacitor on my unit and make sure it's good. My capacitor is a 45. Rated for 45 MFD. So we're gonna hook up our leads. One go into common. One going to red. So I am going to put my function button over to microfarads, and we're going to read the capacitance. All right. Well, actually, first we need to be safe. I hit the disconnect, so I'm gonna go to voltage. Make sure we got 0 volts. All right, 0. Actually, negative 0.7. That's why I like this. Well, that's digital too, but this smart digital. All right, let's go leg to leg. I got 0 and 0. Oh, I didn't know I got a flashlight on it too, folks. Got a little flashlight on the back. It was dark out here. Added bonus. I have a hard start kit on mine that I need to remove. I'm not gonna remove all the wires. You can if you want. So let's check the capacitor. I'm gonna go to the capacitor function and we're gonna see what we got. All right, let's see how long it take. Not bad, I got 43.7. 43.7, folks. So my capacitor, they say plus or minus 6%. Well, let's go 10%. Some people say go 10. We're gonna go 10. This was a 45, so we go 45. Let's go minus 10%. They give me a 40.5. So anything under a 40.5, we would need to replace this. And what was I getting? You gotta be kidding me. So much for this. So I was sticking my sticking the lead, and the tip just broke off this one right here. I was sticking it in a little circle of the capacitor. See if I can show you, folks. All right, kind of sweet. So you gotta work on your leads. So I don't know if that was my fault or what, but this never happened with any of my other meters. But I was sticking to check the capacitor in a little hole right there, and the little tip from the lead just broke off on there. See the little tip on the red one? Stuck it in that hole right there to check my capacitor and just broke off in there. Said I did not like these leads on here. I felt they was kind of cheaply made. So I do like the meter. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, and I gotta fish this little piece off here because I don't want it to cause any other kind of damage. So anyway, I mean, it did read the capacitor rating good, but these leads, so I'm going to see if, let's say these field piece leads. So I know these are some good leads. I need to order some more anyway. I'm going to see if I can use these for this meter. And we're going to take this out in the field today also. Let's see if it works. Yep, and they do fit. So I think I got a brand new pair of these field piece leads. And I think the fluke leads will work too. All right. So let's check the capacitor again with the fluke leads and see if it'll work. All right. All right. So I got, yep, 43.7. And remember I said anything under 40 would be no good. I got 43.7, 43.7. So what I would use this meter for, I would give it a thumbs up. If you're gonna order, like I said, just $40, you're a homeowner or something like that, or a technician, beginner, and even experienced technician, I think you would like this meter. To me, it's pretty cool. But I think I'm gonna take it out in the field today. I got a couple no cool calls that I'm finna get ready to run. So I can see you on the next one, y'all. Thanks for watching.